did I get into trucking? Well, at one point, I was hustling, and I decided that hustling wasn't for me when I started having kids, so I decided to do something better with my life, which to make the money that I can make, which would be trucking. So that's one reason why I got into trucking. What did I say to the guys in the hood to get them out the street into trucking? For one thing is that the streets is no good for you. If you want an honest living life, to make the money that you need to make, you need to drive trucks and get off the streets. What's the difference from selling dope in the streets and truck drive? You will stay out of jail, you won't get killed, and you're making an honest living for you and your family. And you don't have to look over your shoulders every day. You're at peace in your truck. When you're driving your truck, you got a peace of mind. You can just drive down the highway and think of good things and whatever you want to think of. It's a peace of mind.